బీజేపీ రాష్ట్ర కార్యాలయంలో ఎంపీ లక్ష్మణ్ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
कलकत्ता उच्च न्यायालय के आज बयान से ये इनका पर्दाफाश हो गया। इतना ही नहीं, आज ममता बनर्जी ने आज मुख्यमंत्री के नाते जो उच्च न्यायालय का निर्णय को नहीं मानने का वो बयान देती है और सरासर न्यायपालिका का अपमान भी करती है। ये जिम्मेदार उच्च पद पर बैठे व्यक्ति द्वारा न्यायपालिका का अपमान उनकी मानसिकता दर्शाता है। मैं अनुरोध करता हूँ, पूरे जो प्रजातंत्र के अंदर जितने भी आज राजनीतिक दल हो जो ये तुष्टिकरण राजनीति अपना रहे, ये उनका आज कलकत्ता उच्च न्यायालय का आज आदेश को पालन करना चाहिए। बार बार मोदी जी इस चुनाव के संदर्भ में भी कई जनसभा में भी बताया गया था कि धर्म का नाम पर कोई आरक्षण देने का आज हमारा संविधान में सुविधा नहीं है। जब ये मोदी जी बात साफ किया तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी को ये माइनॉरिटी का विरोधी के ऐसा बताते हुए हमारे कांग्रेस पार्टियों, हमारे विपक्ष के नेताओं किस तरह दुष्प्रचार किया। आज न्यायपालिका के आज जजमेंट के द्वारा सभी को आज एक सबक सीखना है। आने वाले दिनों में जो पिछड़ा वर्ग के बारे में मगरमच्छ के जो आंसू बहते थे, आज उनका पर्दाफाश हो गया। पिछड़ा वर्ग के हक के लिए कौन लड़ रहे हैं और जो बाबा साहब अंबेडकर का जो संविधान में वो धर्म के आधार पर जो आरक्षण नहीं दिया गया, इस साबित होता है कि इस आज न्यायपालिका और उच्च न्यायालय का आज जजमेंट के माध्यम से पूरा इनका पर्दाफाश हो गया। The decision by the Calcutta High Court to invalidate all other OBCs certificate issued in West Bengal by Mamta Banerjee government from 2010 is a timely and much needed move. Yet again, the exposure of appeasement policies of whether it is Mamta Banerjee government or Congress government or Congress leaders. Now it is high time that these parties should realize this vote bank politics. The Calcutta court judgment, it should be eye-opening to all the parties who are now proposing this vote bank politics and appeasement politics. Now Bharatiya Janata Party repeatedly, and our beloved Prime Minister Modi ji also repeatedly during this election course, he has made it very clear, reservations cannot be made on communal basis or religion basis. That was the constitution which has given provision to only socially backward class people in the society. But unfortunately, in Karnataka, the Congress government has included Muslims into OBCs. Now, 77 categories of Muslims have been included in West Bengal. So this High Court judgment is a slap on the face of this, not only Mamta Banerjee government, it's also a slap on the face of the Congress and the other parties who are now pleading for reservations to Muslims in the name of OBCs. Without any scientific survey, without any study, they are just including all the Muslims into OBCs. Even in Andhra Pradesh, where 4% reservations exclusive for Muslims, in Telangana, 4% reservations for exclusive Muslims also, it is also a purely a religion and communal based reservations which cannot be accepted. Already the High Court of this Andhra Pradesh also now earlier also they have squashed the reservations, but unfortunately in the name of stay by Supreme Court they are still continuing. After this Calcutta judgment, now at least this government now should realize whether it is BRS party or Congress party now who are advocating for reservations to Muslims in the name of BCs, how BCs have lost their opportunities. It was a glaring example in GHMC elections also, wherein out of 50 divisions reserved for OBCs, 31 Muslim OBCs got elected and only 19 OBCs of other communities have got elected. This is the discrimination towards Hindus and BCs of these parties and appeasement of money, vote bank politics by Congress and so-called criminals. So throughout the country, OBC Morcha has given a call to demonstrate and also to welcome the decision of Calcutta High Court and also to condemn the Mamata Banerjee's attitude that she is not going to honor the Kolkata High Court judgment, and she also made it clear that she will not implement that High Court judgment in the Bengal state. So it means she feels that she is above court of law, she is above all constitutional guaranteed rights. As a CM, she feels that she is above all. This is the attitude of not only Mamata Banerjee, all the opposition parties who are advocating reservations in the name of religion. Now there is a program at 1 o'clock at Ambarpet Mahatma Jyotiba Phule statue, welcoming the decision and also condemning Mamata Banerjee and burning the effigy of Mamata Banerjee at 1 o'clock. I request all the media persons to come and cover the event, because this is one of the major judgments and a crucial time that High Court has come to the rescue of the OBCs. ఏమైనా ప్రశ్నలు?